A while ago we went to the garden center and there we saw those Kamado BBQs, the green egg and Big Joe, or I don't know other names. And I thought the price tags were a bit high for a Japanese barbecue wood stove thing. When we continued our route, we passed by the terracotta flower pots. Those flower pots are not expensive at all. That's where we decided to build a terracotta flower pot barbecue. So I ended up buying those 3 pots. This is the base, this is an insert, and this is the top. And that's basically the whole barbecue. Like, now I got some other parts like a gasket to keep the air inside, a thermometer, a hinge to open and close the lid, and a mesh. Some old steel to make a frame and make some venting holes. But first I will start to drill some little pits in the pots to make it look more like a Kamado barbecue instead of a flower pot. Next, what I want to do is make a venting hole in the bottom, but first I will continue doing those pits in the lower part. Getting there, it almost looks like a barbecue now. Okay, now just assemble everything and then we're ready to barbecue. Let's try it out. Let's start with some sausages. Now we go for the burgers. I'm very happy with my new barbecue. Now if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.